Hey everyone, we're going to be reviewing this Guapo Trim Restorer. See how good it is. Allegedly it's good for leather, vinyl, exterior rubber, and plastic trim restorer. So we're going to be working on that bike today over there. We'll see what happens. As you can see right here, I don't know if it's only good for black with black trim. Let's see. But today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. It's pretty liquidy, but I'm going to put it on the, what do you call this, the drill, and see what happens. I'm going to hit it with this, and then I'm going to wipe it down with this. So let's see what is the deal here. So as you can see, it's in the sunlight, so you can see whether this thing works or not for me. So let's try it out. As you can see there, let's see. Oh shoot, it's already in everywhere. It's pretty loose. Now you don't have to do this. I'm just doing it because I just want to see. You let it penetrate. Black trim, allegedly. I'm trying to get as much as I can into the mixing cleanser before I wipe it down. It is hot as hell out here, but yeah, I do it for the video. I'm okay with it. Does it work on paint? I don't know, but we'll try. We'll wipe it off anyway. It says let it sit there for a few minutes. I'll let it sit there. I'll do before and after. There's still some residue here on these mirrors. Is there a different look? I don't know. Let's wipe it. I think it's been about 1 to 2 minutes already. What do you think? Let's try it on the paint. I only did the front portion to kind of get some contrast here. Somewhat, kind of. I definitely do. There's definitely a sheen to it. I don't know if you see the difference. This is the mirror I didn't touch. This is the mirror I did touch. There's definitely a shininess to it. I mean, there's definitely, I'm not gonna lie, there's definitely a shininess to it, I'll be honest with you. But let's try this area right here. Let's just dab some on there. Nothing too crazy. This black gold here. Dab it on here. Obviously it's not gonna help with paint chips or anything like that. But I mean, what to try, get these dried plastic things to look somewhat new, right? You see how dull that is on this side. Make everything look guapo, I guess. I don't know. Let's soak in there for a minute. This is an old bike. I mean, not too old, but it's worn. I mean, it has wear and tear, you know what I'm saying? So you can't really, but this is kind of a good example. I'll let it sit there for a bit. I'm gonna hit these with the thing here. Because I'm gonna just hit that there. See what the deal with that is. I'm gonna just go crazy on it. These panels here. And see. Will there be a change? Dry that off for a bit. Over here, especially. These panels are still pretty black, but you know, I just wanna, you know, for you guys, I'll go crazy here a bit. Make sure that, I don't know if it's like the amount you put on there, but I'm just gonna put a lot on there, just especially up in here. Trim restorer. We'll see how much it can restore. Got this area here. Generally speaking, this bike is usually underneath all the time. So this bike is always under the cover, and I barely really use it anyway, so it should still be in. I'll wipe that down when it's time. Just to let you know, I am going to be selling this motorcycle because I got to make room for another one. I did buy another one. I'm going to buy another one. I'll let this sit and then I'll wipe it down. Wait, I almost forgot. Because I'm getting that one. I need to make space for another one. So you gotta do what you gotta do. So once again, Guapo Trim Restorer, tell me what you think. Not for nothing, it does look a lot, has a lot more sheen, I would have to say. More sheen. Oh, I totally forgot the other spot there. I think we have enough here to hit that. For these areas that I know are old and worn, I mean, not as black as it used to be. I got this secondhand, so, but you know, to a great extent, I know it didn't look worn. I would have to say that this did a good job. Look at that. I don't know if you see that versus the inside here. It's definitely made it look a little bit more presentable. For those of you guys who are into detailing, even this little portion here, see, that's dirty as hell. I didn't clean it properly. But for the price, it's going to be down there on the box and in the links, but I would say it's worth it. I would say it's worth it. If you're going to restore a bike, just the plastic to some extent like this, you should be okay. Let's try some of the grays here, darker shades. I'm pretty, let's put in the shade. Yep, check that out. I would have to say yes, did a great job. Okay everyone, if you liked it, follow, give it a thumbs up, appreciate it. Bye.